This $20 million villa.
Why do my ladies just be hitting slab? Had to take one and just running shit back. Sailor flame, I know I'm hotter than that. Told you before, know this deeper than rap. We been up in the cap, ain't no cap.
I don't know how I made it here. I don't know why I came here, but I know I'm here, so.
But I got the bitch back. My heart in this heart attack. Running this shit to cardiac. Not far from this shit, go to find me at. Sippin' no, I don't do trust. She got her own fan, she need a buzz. Might give her a chance, it's giving her. Out in the trance, it's giving her. Out on the sands, it's giving her.
This though, this right here, this is it.
We're plans, it's giving her. Feeling the deal, made this damn plans. I like it for real, ain't giving up. Like they know that you real.
So let's go ahead and check out this $20 million house we are staying in Ibiza for the week with 8 of my entrepreneur friends. So we got the living room, tiny little kitchen. You know what I've noticed is seeing a lot of these houses is all the kitchens are made for butlers and cooks, not made for you as a husband or as a housewife or a rich guy like me to be cooking in it. The piano, you know I have some fine taste, so every house I get, drop that beat. Has to have a piano. This is really the money shot right here. Spin the B-roll.
We
have a very special DJ set by our good friend Jack. It's at this spot called Fabel. They have a place in Miami. They just opened a restaurant there. Mo, we just went to dinner in Fabel. You know where we're going there right now?
That's where we kind of like officially re-kicked off our relationship.
And that's where we're going right now.
Yeah, I know. How crazy is that?
Life comes full circle. I remember just a few years ago, I was watching vlogs just like this, telling myself I need to cut the bullshit and make it happen. And now, here I am, living it out on one of the craziest islands in the world. It's a reminder that if you really want something, you've got to go after it. Not that you need me to tell you this, but the fact is, the only thing standing in your way is yourself. Don't just think of something and expect the world is going to give it to you. That's not how it works. Instead, the trick is this. If you think about what you want long enough, the road will open itself for you, and you'll start seeing the exact steps you need to take to get there.
You know, I'm a big fan of like customer experience and brand experiences, but some brands just don't know how to do it. If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. You agree with me here? Shout out to Fablo though. You got the boy Jack behind the DJs, fully comped, free event, VIP opening. You need good friends in high places, and that's how you get a really good life. Because it's not always about you. It's about who you're always around with, if that makes sense.
Yo, what are you doing?
So Colin just sent me a meme coin, aka shitcoin in crypto, to go ahead and buy. Pulled it up, $36 million market cap. Looks decent, I guess, for a shitcoin. Not that I'm a great professional trader here. And I went ahead and I bought $1,000 worth. So we'll come down here. Boom, I put $1,000 since Colin put $1,000. So this is pretty much all gambling. But let's go see why Colin decided to have me buy this coin and just his thoughts on this whole meme coin craze that's going on right now. So, yo, Colin, I just bought $1,000 worth of Spike. What are your thoughts on it? And what are your thoughts on this whole crypto craze that's going on right now?
On Spike?
On Spike and everything else meme coins. What are your thoughts on that shit right now?
Well, look, man, you got to have insights from other people.
Okay.
For memes. Like, I don't invest in a meme unless I know the founders and the teams.
Oh, okay.
It's just a game of networking, bro, at the end of the day. Let's get active.
step it up. Oh. Okay, when life hits you hard, you gotta be ready, my boy. And the way you're looking right now, you ain't looking ready at all, G.
If you had to bet $100,000 playing me, who do you think you'd win?
Yeah, 100%. We can make that bet right now. Look, he's already choking. That's how you want to win. Game time! Who won now?
Come on, but good time was a bad one. You say you want, give me something long time. Me dream with this thing was something like crime. I make you sing this song. I say what I did, you know, bro. Good time,
So, you know, you guys see us having a lot of fun, doing all types of crazy stuff, going out, spending money. But what you guys don't see is we actually work, and we work a lot. Like right now, I'm gonna sit here, I got a coaching call to do with some of my students. Got a few meetings to attend to, and we got money to make. So no matter what we do, where we are in the world, work doesn't come second. Business comes first, because without it, this right here is just not possible. But the cool thing about it is I get to come out here and work in this beautiful setting that a lot of people don't get to do because they're too scared to take action. They're too scared to let go of what they're already programmed to do when they were a little kid.
So you need to think in terms of priority where you're going to put credit. So when you're funding your business, it's like the last thing you want to do is put like ad spend on a credit card that's personally guaranteed, and then risk that. You're better off just trying to negotiate with your vendors and manufacturers for better payment terms. So if you can negotiate them from net 30 to net 60, or even a lower deposit, say your deposit's like normally 50% down, and you get it down to 25% down to get product, that's freeing up so much cash. I like to look at those areas. I never risk it in terms of any personal guarantee credit cards. We have a
But
few.
you know your business card is personally guaranteed if you default on it.
Yeah, that's why I don't use those and hold the balance on them ever, or even to like 30 days. I don't risk it at all. Like those are literally like when I put expenses through them, they're just going boom. It's just going through the credit card and then to my bank account just for points.
How many people have you killed before?
Just 10.
Zero.
Zero? That's only for the camera answer. You know, my guy's a sharpshooter. Stop playing. He's the real killer, huh?
Yeah.
He's the real killer right here. Let's go work, because I'm in the mood to do some content. So it's 1 a.m. Nobody cares though, because what is it? 1 a.m. We just came back from a crazy dinner that you guys just seen, obviously. I feel like my day's not done yet, so all the energy I have left, we're gonna go ahead and invest it straight into some content, get some work, and then sleep like a baby.
One hit of the grade, I'm nice. Let me give you the latest. Still in my North Face coat on my favorite Nikes. Yeah, it could have been worse. I've been in the dirt and still not staying inside. I still do up the laces tight in case man pull up and make it.
There we go. We just banged out 3 videos that I think will probably do a good number of views, generate a good number of leads.
I know how I would market this, comment examples. So again, like the biggest thing I'm learning is slowing down, speeding up. Slowing down on the important parts, speeding up on the not so important parts.
Wow, that's very helpful, bro. And this is the thing, you gotta be open to criticism, right? Because without criticism, you can't get better. And you can't get better doing this shit alone. That's why I have guys who are great at what they do, helping me be great at what I wanna be at. Should we hit the sauna right now or what?
Yeah, Doug.
No? I get so inspired, bro. I have this crazy itch. Like once you get to this level in life, you just never want to go back. Why would you want to go back? Why would you ever want to downgrade to something less than this? If you don't think this is attainable, you're literally out of your mind, bro. These views are crazy. Let's roll, baby.
if you go ahead and you, let's say, play with a LeBron James level type of person, or you position yourself in life, right, with a friend that is always crushing their goals, that is always pushing themselves to the next level, then what do you think is going to happen to you, right? You're going to show up and you're going to want to push the boundaries just like that superstar player. People need permission to go ahead and chase big dreams. People need permission to go ahead and do things that their family, their community, their parents reject. And ultimately, that's really what I've been learning like recently is learn how to think about the next move you want to make and learn the true meaning of specific investments and specific opportunities that come your way. Because sometimes things are just hidden in plain sight and you just keep rejecting them.
Anytime you go into a local supermarket or restaurant that has something like this, local food, fresh eggs, fresh croissants, fresh juice, you get one of each. That's the rule.
This dude's telling you to get white bread and processed sugar.
So what, bro?
I would just think about you. Pop a Percocet, get higher than a kite. Fuck your bitch, get her ass out of sight. Came from the kitchen, but I'm living nice. Came for the riches, ain't got time to fight. Came for your hoe, she won't spend the night. I ain't come alone, fire on my side. No on my own, I'm not a knight. Nigga too short, nigga need
The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line.
Last night we had a crazy night at this place called Destino. It's like a beach club, pool club. I personally just went for the burgers and the sushi. Everybody else went there for the party favors and the fun. But this right here, show them the view. This right here is my vibe, right? Look at this, blue, cold Ibiza waters. The most beautiful waters in the world, honestly. We got boats on the sand over there. We got sailboats everywhere, big yachts. But we're here to have a great time, not a long time, right? So 90-foot Pershing doesn't get any better than this, boys. So let's go ahead and have fun.
Trust me, we are linked later. Hey.
When it's hot uptown and you miss my love, try to calm me down, couldn't give me up.
Hot uptown, and you miss my love, and you want me back.
2 hands on my waist, 1 hand on your face. You're too weak to handle me, my babe. You should play it safe.
This is the Ibiza edition of Lagarine. If you guys didn't see the Monaco vlog, go check that shit out. This is about to be the second edition of it.
Blue water, big yachts, amazing people, beautiful sunsets, you name it. Formentera Waters was one for the books. Truly blessed to be able to experience something like that. Another destination scratched off the bucket list. But we're not done yet.
I snap on the track like the fingers of Thanos. Como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. It's all love, all Wimbledon with the pendant. All I have in this world is my flag and my sword. I'm on the battlefield with the flag of my Lord. My shahada is my cantata. My heart chakra light up when I'm inside that.
I'm beating Evan's ass here. Yeah. But what you guys don't know about Evan is he's an absolute beast in e-com as well. So, Evan, give me 3 quick tips you would recommend to anybody getting started with e-com on why they should build a brand, for example, instead of doing dropshipping.
Okay. One thing, I just from the logistics standpoint of things, is lifetime value. When you're building a brand, you're building an asset. You're building something you could sell one day. I think the biggest thing is you can get 3 to 5 times multiple, probably even better depending on EBITDA. You're not going to be able to sell your business if you're drop shipping, basically. You need to have a brand. You need to have a community. You need to have a vision behind it, a meaning while you're there. What's your purpose? What are you serving in the marketplace? You can make a bunch of money. You can make a nice bag with just drop shipping products, but it's all short term. That's not sustainable, especially if you're starting off right now. You're investing so much time into skill sets. You're going to want to build something that's going to last for years. Think like a decade out, 5 years out. That's where the real money is made, honestly.
Couldn't agree more with you.
Yeah.
And how does somebody get better at ping pong? Because you need help with that.
I'm working on my ping pong.
Here we are with another one of those momentum outros. Me leaving you with one final message. No matter where you are in your journey, do not stop. Do not give up. Foot on the gas and keep fucking going. Small actions create momentum, and momentum is on your side. See you guys on the next one.